Being a captain was actually very interesting, very good, quite challenging, so that we can make all the participants join the events what we can.
So it's really good because I have never been a captain of any teams, and luckily this time I was approached by Nilesh and Vikram, and Vikram took me in. So it's really good to have of being a part of this team where all the people are actually supporting you. So it's a good feeling to be a captain of a team.
So I feel very good, and it's a good opportunity to build network.
Being captain of the team, I was very much excited and enthusiastic when I got this role. I explored a lot of creativity in terms of motivating the team members to ensure that the team is participating in all the events. So this role keeps you occupied, and it requires a lot of responsibility.
I don't know. I don't feel like a captain. It's always a team. We always play like a team. So.
I mean, did Morgan's 14 rounds of interview grab that information as well? I was, wow. I mean, anyways, but this particular surprise came with a good amount of pings, good amount of reminders, a little disappointments, and too many calculations about finding the score of a team.
It's a pain. It's very difficult actually. No one is ready to play. You have to convince them to play. So yeah, kind of fun to convince them to.
I was like, I had 10 heads like Ravana, and I had to think on, or from each one's perspective, I had to think like, whenever the captain will say, or Ali, Anita, or Shabna will come and say, okay, yeah, do exercise, do this fun event, or do this thing, but they don't know the actual pain it requires.
It's really very, very difficult. So we understand that the team will be very busy with their project work and other priorities. So still, I take this opportunity to thank my team and kudos to everyone.
Very difficult job, and every time we have noticed there is a bunch of 4 or 5 people who always participates.
Right.
But rest of the people, we tried reaching out to them, but it's becoming really difficult to make them participate.
It was not actually difficult because the team members themselves took so much initiatives to participate in each and every event they could. Yeah, I understand, like due to some of the deliverables and commitments, they could not participate in all the events. But yes, the commitment was good, and we had the maximum participation, especially in the meme challenge. We win.
We had a team, whom I knew Short would join. So I used to, we created a group and we made sure that they join. And some people, whoever did not have a clash during that time, they all actively participated. And I had to definitely hold on a few people who are like must participants.
Only thing is, so you have to participate. So that is, I'll take it as a positive, and it's an advantage for me. So that I can drive the team.
So it gives you opportunity to reach out to multiple people, to connect with them. It gives you opportunity to do multitasking, improves your creativity as well as your leadership skills. But those who don't participate, you have to always literally force them to participate.
This is a fun activity overall. So you can actually take part in the activities, make time out of your work routine and enjoy with your teammates.
It's not like I'm running for a mayor or president. So there's no advantage or disadvantage here. It's just that it's fun or not fun. Most of all, it's fun. Yeah.
Advantage is a lot of fun which I get to enjoy, and a lot of team work which I get to do, coordinating people, gathering them together. Disadvantage is me being available and bribing people to join in during those fun activities.
Of course, advantage is only I could know the team, I could expand my network over here. And the surprise part was that many pinged me that last time this girl did dancing, cooking, that guy did singing, and they were very good at it. And this time nothing came so far from them, so I had this one-to-one chat and find out the barriers. I could see what I could do or break these barriers. This is something like our team management activities, right? So we could implement all those captainship and leadership skills over there.
Per my experience, I was the captain consecutively for last two times. So given an opportunity, I would also like to try out something new, maybe part of Team Zero.
I would choose to be a captain again because it's really tough to organize such games, and really heads off to the team who organize these events, and they did it very well.
I want to be a captain so that I can participate and win a lot of goodies for each and every event.
Given opportunity, I think I'll be part of Team Zero.
Be a captain again. Sure, why not? I'm always game.
No, I'll never go for Team Zero. Reason being, being a captain for one team, we had been doing these calculations millions of times, and being part of Team Zero, I need to do these calculations for all teams.
Definitely yes, if my friend is interested in exploring this opportunity. So as we know, everything comes with its own pros and cons. So definitely if he's fine with the pros and cons of being a captain, I will let him know about that. And then definitely yes, I will recommend him or her.
Yeah, definitely yes, if I am not being the one.
Definitely, I would recommend my friends because along with the fun, there's a lot of learning, and the fun is out of the blue. It was very nice. It was a good 30 minutes, 1 hour fun activity, stress buster, which we used to have.
Yes, for sure. It's a great opportunity for everyone to get along and drive the things. So surely I'll recommend.
No, I won't recommend any of my friends to be the captain. I would recommend only those people who have not played or not participated in any event in any way. Only those people. They should know the pain, right? Those people, those members should be the captain.
So, of course, I would like people to learn from our experience, or they want to go and find, or they explore themselves, they get to know more about their subordinates. And in life, you need to really adopt one rule that if he or she can, so can I. That means you have everything in you, it's just that you need to come out from your comfort zone, you need to try and you need to give your best. Let's try this one also and let's see how it goes, right?